how do you go from trying to put your expertise and your brand into content while being different than every other one that's out there for trying to rank for car accident lawyer? Are there any like tips or tricks that you use that are working?
So I think that if you already have a book of work, kind of, you have cases settled and things like that, I think that's a big one.
Yeah.
Highlighting that. I really think, and something that's challenging to get a lot of attorneys to do just because it's hard to get the time. It's a big ask for their clients that have kind of been through something traumatic already.
Sure.
And that's doing those, kind of a success story or a case study of somebody that you worked with. And then I think what you get out of that is somebody who is going through something similar is able to put themselves kind of in that position and see how you worked that through and walked that through and really took care of somebody else that's just that they can relate to.
Yeah.
And I think that connection can be really big and that goes into really, that's when we've already got that search presence. We're already showing up and we're getting people on the website. And how do we finalize that? How do we get them to actually be a legitimate lead, to reach out to us instead of somebody else?
Yeah.
And I think that can be a differentiator. When you're putting that kind of information on your website, they're able to come and see that and see, hey, here's somebody just like me. And, here's how they walked through the whole process. And I can see that this attorney in this law firm was with them kind of the whole step of the way, and that it worked out in a positive manner.
Yeah. And, there's other advantages to that, too. Not only on the conversion standpoint, but my mind went back to Google because, now they're kind of declaring war a little bit on AI and saying, well, you need to be writing about things that are a bit more unique and not completely regurgitated shit. And, that's a great way to do it, like your actual experience.
Right. You're having original content, and they might do something similar, but it's still, your content's going to be so original. It's about one person. It's about one specific case. It's not, I'm a car accident lawyer. Mm-hmm. After a car accident, take pictures and then go get treatment for your injuries.
Yeah.
And then call me. And then the next step after that is we're going to do this. Everybody can put that.
Sure.
And you might need it to get it to the rank, but yeah, what is that content? What's the content that's going to make you a little bit different? It's going to make them reach out to you instead.
Yeah.
And as much as you can empathize with somebody and present a shared experience, I think you're going to have an advantage.
Okay.